We'll be on the air right afterwards, live. Tune in to watch me stay up past my bedtime and try not to swear. The debate is in Iowa, where Bernie Sanders is enjoying a late surge, and Trump is noticed tweeting, "Wow, crazy Bernie Sanders is surging in the polls, looking very good against his opponents in the do-nothing party. So what does this all mean? Stay tuned." What does this all mean, stay tuned? That's how cable news throws to a commercial. Is Trump now just live tweeting whatever's on TV? More Fox and Friends after the break. And now a little English lizard is telling me to buy car insurance. We got a great show for you tonight. Joe Scarborough and Mika Brzezinski are here. And when we return, Goof has a new TV show. Stick around, it's going to get goofy.
How much weirder can it get? That's why we're here, to investigate unexplained phenomena.